Today first day. So yesterday's one. Yes, as yesterday's agenda. See about me expense. Yes, about course. About me introduction. About course introduction. What is prerequisite to learn Java? Course contents. These things yesterday discussed. That's all. Today starting actual classes. Okay. See about me. I think about me much introduction may not be required. Yes, well known. I'm well known trainer in the market. Okay. Yes, this is Nageswar Rao, 23 years of experience. My most of the experience this area. Java, Big Data, Hadoop, Spark, Linux, and Python. So currently working for this company. These are my working company. Okay. Yes, in this company, yes, our team is very big team. 178 members team. Very big team. Okay. Yes, 18 projects completed. Yes, now 19 project last week started. My role, solution architect. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes, all the projects. Yes, here 2013 started Hadoop career also. 2013. Okay. Yes, that's about myself. I think much introduction not necessary. Okay. Yes, my engineering 93 to 97. Computer science engineering JNTU Hyderabad. Yes, that time only 9 colleges, 360 seats. Out of that, I got 125 rank. I'm a OC category. Yes, this category, open category. I don't have any reservation. Okay. Yes. So with that background only, I got job immediately. Okay. Next about your course. Course is core Java. Yes, duration 75 days. Yes, sir. Time 11:45 to 1:15 p.m. So 1.5 hour class. So Monday to Saturday classes. Okay. 3 demo classes you can attend. 3 demo classes attend means you did tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So daily recordings sharing to your Gmail ID. Okay, just within 1 hour of finishing class. Okay. Yes, you can watch any number of times, no limits. Yes, for your services, recording. Yes, next document, class document, recordings. See, recordings. Recently completed batch recordings. 6 p.m. batch completed, 71 sessions. Taken 71 sessions that batch. Okay, 71 sessions. 17th May started. Yes, 8th August complete. Exactly 78 days, 71 sessions. 78 days and 71 sessions. Only 7 holidays taken. Only Sunday. That is my commitment. Monday to Saturday classes. Okay, next. One more batch, 8:30 AM batch is going on. 8:30 AM batch. 6th September started. Yes, 20th. Yesterday. 20th October, right? 6th to 20th. How many days? 30 plus 14. So how many? 44 days. Out of 44 days, 38 second sessions taken. Only 6 days holidays. Out of 44 days, 38 sessions means only 6 days means only Sundays. That is my commitment. So these videos I'll be sharing with you every day. Okay. Within 1 hour only, even no delay. Even no delay within 1 hour means by 2 o'clock you can watch that recording here. Recordings plus document class document. This is a class document. So this is Java, your class document. This is class document. Yeah, this is around more than around 500 page document, 550 page document. This is 1 second. Yes, this is around I think 540 page document. In these documents, yes, programs available, interview questions. Yeah, 300 programs I have prepared in this document. Total by the end of the course, 300 programs I'll be explaining. Next interview questions, 500 interview questions prepared in this document. Chapter wise, that interview questions are there. So the about document. Running notes is not necessary. Just you can follow this document. Running notes not all required. Just to follow this document. Same as these documents. So don't write any running note. Just you can follow this document. Next, JDK software and Eclipse. JDK 8, 9, 11, 13. First starting with 8. Next 9, 11, 13. So next coming clouds. Okay. Next, what is prerequisite to learn Java? Nothing required. Non-IT background guys also can understand classes. Yes, everyone can understand. I'm starting with basics. So finally taking the high end. By the time of finishing course, yes, you'll get this much of experience. 3 to 4 years of experience you can put up. That level, I'll explain very clearly. Okay. Yes, about course contents. Course contents. Java JDK software. In this, there are 4 editions. Totally 4 editions. In that last two, this is mobilization effects. No one using this is. In this area, Java is very poor. In this area, Java is very poor. So no one using. Yes, just we are using enterprise edition and standard edition. Java standard edition and enterprise edition. These two things are using here. Okay, Java standard edition. This is Java technology. Learning Java technology. Just learning Java. So this is our syllabus. Java standard edition is our syllabus. Okay, next enterprise application development frameworks part. Frameworks part comes on this. Of learning SE, next you should go for frameworks for application development. So now you learning technology, Java technology. Yes, Java standardization. Yes, our syllabus. This is our syllabus. In our syllabus, first topic is core part of Java. Core part of Java. Core, 1 second. Core part of Java. Yes, data types, operators, control statements, Java language syntax, and all this. Control statements like if statements, switch case statement, while loop, do while loop, these things here. These things will be discussed in this 100 programs. I'll explain programs in this 100 programs. Special focus on logic building. Yes, first 4 weeks. Special focus on logic building. Yes, improving our programming skills. How to improve our programming skills? Improving programming skills. Okay, first 4 weeks I will focus on this. Okay, totally 11 weeks. Out of 11 weeks, first 4 weeks, remaining 7 weeks complete Java. Okay, so around 50 days Java. Okay, yes, 60 programs I'll explain. 60 programs I'll explain. Yes, next, yes, around 40 assignments. Daily assignments will be there. Daily, everyday assignments I'll be giving. You have to solve it. That assignments. Okay, so this is first initial topics. Yes, logic building. Special focus on logic building and improving program skills. So once you become expert in programming, then starting actual Java concepts. Yes, oops. Okay. Yes, oops features, all that features. Encapsulation, data abstraction, all this. The oops features covering. After that, string buffer, string tokener, string builder, these things here. Next, object wrapper classes, exception handling concept here. Next, collections. This is most important. Special focus on these collections. Without collections, no interviews. The guys who is having 10 years of experience also, they have to face interview and collections. It's very, very important topic. Yes, my favorite topic, this area. My favorite topic, this is. Because I work a lot in this area. Yeah, every project, yes, we should use this is collection. Without collections, no Java projects. Next, IOS teams file handling. In file handling, we'll discuss on real-time projects. Okay, networking, TCP, and UDP applications here. Next, multi-threading. Yes, up to this your syllabus. After finishing multi-threading, next version-wise features 1.0, 1.1, 1. Yes, all this up to Java 13. All that features we'll discuss. Okay. My current project we are using Java 9. Since last 2 projects we are using Java 9. Industry using Java 8 only. So here 90% of industry using Java 8 only. But in our office we are using Java 9 because our Java team is very big team. Very big 178 members team. Okay, we are using Java 9. Suppose yes, 11 and 13 are already updated here. Our team updated. Any client is asking for Java 11. Yes, we'll be work. We are ready to work on that. I will explain up to 13. Okay, so JDBC also comes on SC, but is not your syllabus. This is advanced Java. Advanced, that is different topic. So this is SC. Okay, right? This is our syllabus. This complete syllabus. Okay. Yes, this is 75 days topic. 75 days, 11:45 to 1:15 p.m. So 1.5 hour class. Monday to Saturday classes you can attend. Yes, strictly Monday to Saturday. Only Sunday holiday. Okay, 3 demo classes. That's it. Okay, so this is introduction. Yes, that's all about introduction. Now let us start actual classes. Let's start actual Java. Yes, you guys, any doubts are there, just ping in chat box. If you have any doubts, you can ping in chat box. Chat box, we can use that chat box. Okay. See, I can unmute, but what happens? Maybe yes, background noise getting from different students. Some background noise, some getting disturbance. So for that purpose, I'm just muted everyone. Okay. Just you can ping in chat box. I can respond immediately. Yes, I'm checking chat box every time. I'll respond immediately. Okay. Yes, let us start. Yes, Java starting. Java. Yes. First question, what is Java? Yes. Anyone can you answer this? Anyone idea of what is your idea? Of course, I'll explain very clearly. Just I'm asking your idea. What is Java? What is Java? Any idea? Yes, you guys don't worry, I'll explain. Just I'm asking your idea. Simple question, what is Java? Yes, good. Madhu, good. It's a programming language. Okay, good. Next, any others? Any others? What is Java? No answer? Yes, no problem, no issue. Yes, even right or wrong, that's secondary. Right or wrong, secondary. Just you participate in discussion. Just you participate, discuss right or wrong, that is secondary. Suppose you explaining wrong here, I will explain, I'll clear it. If you giving wrong answer, no problem, no issue. I don't feel anything here. I will correct that answer. Okay. Yes, Madhu can be used to build applications, software applications. Okay, good. Yes, next, Himanshu. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Good. Next, any others? Yes. Okay. Let us see what is Java. Simple answer. Yes, simple answer. What is Java? It's a very simple answer here. Java. Yes. Yes, Java is an object-oriented programming language. Simple answer. What is Java means? Very simple answer. This is Java is an high-level programming language. That also you can say. Pranav, you are also correct. You also correct. High-level language also you can say. Okay. Java is an object-oriented programming language. OOP language. OOP. OOP stands for object-oriented programming language. Yes, OOP stands for objects. Yes, objects. Yes, oriented. Oriented programming. Object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming. Yes. What is OOP exactly? Why OOP's concept developed? The topic next coming to next we'll discuss next. So what is Java means? What is Java means? Simple answer. Yes, it's a object-oriented programming language. Java is an object. Yes, object-oriented programming language. That's it. Okay. See Java software JDK. JDK Java software JDK here. Yes, JDK stands for Java Development. Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Okay. Yes, JDK. JDK from Sunsoft. JDK from the Sunsoft. Okay, now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. It is with Oracle Corporation. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Oracle. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. So Oracle Corp. Okay. Yes. Sunsoft taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Yes, in year 20, that history also I'll explain. I'll tell you that history also. So JDK from the Sunsoft, basically from the Sunsoft, now it is with the Oracle Corporation. It is Oracle Corporation. Okay. Yes, JDK 1.0. JDK. Yes, JDK 1.0. It's a first version of Java. First version of Java. Yes, released in the year. First version of Java released in the year 1995. 1990. Yes, I know very well that release. Okay. Yes, first version of Java. Okay, JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0, first version of Java released in the year 1995. See, 1995. 1995. That time, yes, I was in engineering second year. Engineering second year. Okay, engineering second year. Engineering second year. At that time, I was learning C language. Yes, in our second year, we have the C language. That time I was learning C language. Yes, we have the C language. C language and the OS. Okay, C language. I was learning C language. So before Java coming to the market, already I was there in software field. Already, yes, in software field. Yes. See, my engineering 1993 to 1997. Yes. Computer science engineering. Yes. CSE. Yes. JNTU, Hyderabad. Yes, here in Kukatpalli. Hyderabad, Kukatpalli. JNTU, Hyderabad. For computer science engineering. Yeah, that time getting engineering seat is very great. Okay. Yes, throughout Andhra Pradesh only 9 colleges. Yes, AP and Telangana. That time United Andhra Pradesh. So AP and Telangana only 9 colleges, only 360 seats. Okay. Yes, because of rank. Yes, my MSET rank. Yes, my MSET rank 125. Yes, OC category. I'm a OC category. So because of that, I got the seats. Okay. Yes, almost yes. By the time of reaching my rank, almost seats were completed. Yes, only last 3 seats were left. After me, 2 more seats were left. Yes, third seat from the last, I think. But almost at the end. Okay, that day I feel a lot of time. No web counseling, nothing. Directly physical counseling. Directly physical counseling. Physically, yes, they'll physically they will alert the seats. Okay. Yes, 9 colleges only 360 seats. 360 means per day 100 members only counseling maximum, not more than that. Okay. Second day I went for counseling. Second day I went for counseling. First day 100 members, next day 100 members. Okay. Yes, maximum all engineering branches maybe I think 2000 students maximum. Yes, whole complete state. Yes, all branches maximum 2000 students only. At that time, getting engineering is equal to IAS. That is not easy. Only special case getting engineering. Very tough. So because of that background, I got job immediately. Okay. Yes, yes. So 95, first version of JDK. JDK 1.0. Okay. See JDK 1.0. So JDK 1.0. Yes. Released. Yes, released with main features. Released with main features. Main features as below. As below. Yes, first one. Yes, independent of platform. Independent. Yes, independent of platform. Independent of platform. Yes, JDK 1.0 first version released with main features as below. Okay, first one independent of platform. Next one, yes, portability. Yes, portability. Portability. So first one independent of platform. Next portability. Yes, these features will discuss one by one. Don't worry, guys. I'll explain very clearly one by one. So portability. Yes, independent of platform. Portability. Next, object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming language features. Oops, features. Okay, next, scalability. Yes, scalability. Yes, scalability. Scalability. Okay, scalability. Yes, next, security. Security. These are the main features of Java. So JDK first version of Java. Okay, I know very well that release date also I know that. With a lot of publicity, they have released. Sunsoft released Java with lot of publicity in the year 1995. 1995. Yes, I was in engineering. Yes, in Hyderabad. I know that release. Okay, with lot of publicity was released. Okay, so this is they're the different. These are the features, main features of Java. Okay, next after that, next JDK, next JDK 1.1, JDK 1.1, yes, released in year 1996. Next year, yes, released. So next year released in the year, yes, in the year 1996. 1996. Yes. Now this JDK 1.1 divided into three editions. So initially only three editions. Later one more edition added. Only three. So JDK 1.1 divided. So here divided into three editions. Divided into three editions. First one, yes, Java SE, calling us yes J2SE. So J2SE, yes J2SE. Okay, Java standard edition, standard, Java standard, Java standard, Java standard edition. Okay, so J2SE, Java standard edition, Java standard edition. Okay, next second one, yes, Java, yes, enterprise, that is called as J2SE, yes, J2, yes, J2W. Okay, yes, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Enterprise Edition. Okay, so JDK 1.1 divided into three editions. JDK 1.1 divided into three editions. So first one SE, Java Standard Edition. Second one Enterprise Edition. Yes. Next third one. Yes. JME, calling as yes J2ME, calling as J2ME. So Java Mobile Edition. Yes. Java Mobile Edition. Yes. Mobile Edition. Java Mobile Edition. Okay. Java Mobile Edition. So these are the, yes, JDK 1.1. Yes, in this divided to three editions. Divided to three editions. Okay, three editions, right? Yes. Here, standard edition is a Java technology. Enterprise is a actual application development. Okay. So next after that, JDK 1.2. So next 1.3, next 1.4, next 1.5, next 1.6, next 1.7, yes, 1.8. From 8 onwards, calling it Java 8. So this is Java 8. Next Java 8. Yes, version-wise features I'll explain. This is not right time to discuss about version-wise features. Yes, at the end of the course, we'll discuss version-wise features. Java 8, Java 9, yes, Java 11, yes, Java 11 and 13, Java 11 and 13. Yes, all these features we'll see version-wise. Okay, out of this 1.5, JDK 1.5 is the main version here. JDK 1.5. Yes, this is called as Tiger version. Tiger version. Okay. Yes, what's the difference in version? Yeah, I'll explain. Version with features. Yes, new feature added, changing version. So version wise features. 1.0, some features here. Next, adding some more feature, releasing as next version 1.1. Next, adding some more features, releasing as 1.2. But version concept also I'll explain. Major version, minor version. Yes, what is major version? What is minor version? That versioning concept also I'll explain. Don't worry, I'll explain. So JDK 1.5, it's a Tiger version. Tiger version. Yes, many features were added here. Many features were added. Okay, JDK 1.5, many features are added here. Okay, not only adding many features. Yes, one more fourth edition. Yes, fourth edition called yes JFX. Fourth edition JFX means Java effects here. Java effects, Java effects, Java effects. So one more addition added here. Added. Okay. So in JDK 1.5, fourth edition effects added here. Okay. So finally, yes, 1 second. Yes, it was released. This version was released. Yes, in the year 2004. Yes, JDK 1.5 released in the year 2004. So it was released in the year 2004. Okay. So finally here, finally Java got the success. Java got the success. Java got the success with the JDK, yes, JDK 1.5. Okay. Finally, Java got the success with the JDK 1.5. So 2004, right? How many years it was taken here? How many years? Yes, released in the year 1995. First version of Java released in the year 1995. 1995. Finally, yes, 2004, Java got the success. Java got the success. Almost it was taken for 10 years. 10 years. Even not only for Java software, even for us also, right? Suppose you entered into software field. Yes, by the 10 years, you'll get lot of experience, right? Yes, your life also getting success. Success in your software job. So settling in your life, right? So it will take 10 years to settle in your life minimum. So if you worked for 10 years continuously, 100% life will be settling here. 10 years enough to settle life. Okay. Yes. So finally, Java got the success to JDK 1. So it was taken almost for 10 years. Almost 10 years. Almost 10 years. Okay. 1 second. Yes. Let me have some water. See here. See by the year 2010. Okay. By the year 2010. Yes, 90% of existing projects, 90% of existing projects, yes, migrated to Java. Yes, existing projects. What are the existing projects here? Yes, 2010. By the year 2010, what are the existing projects? Existing projects. Yes, old project, Visual Basic projects. VB projects are there in the market here. Visual Basic from the Microsoft. Visual Basic projects. Okay. Next, VC++ projects. So VC++ projects. Okay. Next, .NET projects. .NET projects. .NET Visual Basic projects. VC++ projects. Here. Okay. Yes. Some C projects except embedded C. Some C projects except embedded C. C projects and C++. Next, ERP project like SAP ERP projects. SAP ERP. Yes, next Oracle ERP. Yes, Oracle. So Oracle ERP. So Oracle ERP. Okay. See, there are various reasons to migrate into Java. Okay, suppose Visual Basic is limited one. Features are very less features Visual Basic providing here. VC plus here .NET also has less number of limited features. Next, one more thing with this Microsoft products disadvantage. Microsoft product disadvantage, platform dependent, OS dependent. So it's a Microsoft products. Microsoft is a Microsoft products, right? So with Microsoft main disadvantage, it's a Windows based. It won't work with other operating systems. Okay, it's a OS dependent, platform dependent. That's a drawback of Microsoft. Yeah, that may be one of the reasons. That could be one of the reasons to migrate into Java. Migrate Java. Next, features. Java features are more than these software features. Yes, maybe features. Maybe yes, independent platform. Yes, because of that reasons, just change it to Java. Okay. Next, C and C++. Just only character interface, but GUI concept is not available. That's the reason. Yes, C and C++ no GUI. You can't develop GUI programming. So that's the reason to convert C and C++ into Java. Next, SAP Oracle ERP. So what is problem with this here? Costly these are. Costly. Their maintenance is more here. SAP, yes, licensing costly. Oracle ERP licensing costly. See, one of our project, SAP ERP project, we have converted to Java. One of my project is SAP project converted to Java because that client, he was not in a position to bear that expenditure, lot of expenditure. He was not in a position to pay that amount. Okay, so for that reason, yes, he asked us to convert into Java. Exact same, just only 9 months. Within 9 months, we have converted the project, tested and everything, and given to client. That client is very happy now because Java is a freeware. Java is a freeware, free of cost you can use. No licensing, nothing required. Free of cost you can download, you can use here. It's a freeware, so nothing to pay. So that's the reason. So you can just that reasons. Maintenance is the one of the reasons. Licensing is one of the reasons. Okay. Next, C and C plus projects. GA facility not available. So that is the reasons. Next here, this is platform dependence. Yes, with various reasons. Many clients converted to Java. Java satisfied many clients. Many reasons, so many requirements Java satisfied. So with that, yes, most of the 90% of existing projects were migrated to Java. Okay. So next, see in the year 2010, in the year 2010, yes, same year. Okay, Sunsoft, that Sunsoft taken over by Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. So once taken by the Oracle Corporation, Java got a lot of popular. Yes, Oracle Corporation is a most popular. It's a most popular series in software field. Oracle is a leader, no doubt. See, 90s, in 90s periods, yes, these are all that history. I know that my life experience. In 90s period, Microsoft is a leader. Bill Gates, very famous that time. So Microsoft most popular. So 90s period, Microsoft is most popular. Okay, see, this Oracle Corporation taken over many companies, not only Sunsoft, some ERPs also taken over. ERPs like JD Edwards, next, yes, JD Edwards ERP next, Sewell. Like that, so many ERPs taken over the Oracle Corporation, ERPs and Java. Like this, many softwares purchased by the Oracle, taken a company. Just many, they purchased many companies. They taken over many companies. So finally, Oracle Corporation has become leader in the markets. Now currently, see, Oracle Corporation in software business, Oracle Corporation is a leader, no doubt. Software business, maybe other business, like maybe Amazon is the leader, Facebook is the leader. Now Facebook is a top position. Yes, recently Facebook, yes, Facebook turnover, yes, reduced because of recently that Facebook outage happened, right? Because of outage happened here, yes, Facebook gone to second position. Now Microsoft is the leader. Microsoft is first position, next is Facebook, next is Amazon. So due to various different business, they are the leaders. But when come to software business, Oracle Corporation is the leader, no doubt. In software business, Oracle Corporation. Different business. So Microsoft, they have the cloud environment and all this. So because of cloud and all those things, Microsoft they are in good position in market. But in software field, Oracle Corporation, no doubt. Okay. Yes. So 90s Microsoft is leader. Now Oracle Corporation is the leader in software area. Okay. So now Java with Oracle Corporation. Java with Oracle Corporation. Suppose downloading Java. To download Java, you must have the Oracle account. Otherwise, you cannot download. Yes, download. JD suppose. Yes, 1.8 or 1 is Java DC Oracle. Java downloads. See Oracle Corporation. Yes, you guys don't worry. I'll share it. The JDK software I can provide you. Yes, already I have with me. Yes, our office softwares I'll share with you. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. I'll share with you. The JDK 1.89 and all that versions I'll share with you. So don't worry about it. Okay. Yes. Right. So this history. Now Java with Oracle Corporation, right? This is history of Java. That complete history. Okay. Yes, in this Java standardization, yes, let us see these editions here. So finally, yes, 1 second. Finally, 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 yes, Java divided into 4 editions. Yes, 4 editions. Java divided into 4 editions. 4 editions. These three, right? These 3 editions. These three, and the fourth one is FX, right? This Java FX. Fourth one, this one. Java FX, this one. Fourth edition, Java FX. This is Java FX. Okay. No, this is not called a JTFX. See, at the beginning of Java called as JTSC, J2W, JTME. Now recent, this is recent version. This is 2004. Okay. Yes, simply calling as FX and Java FX. Okay, let us see. Now, what is purpose of standardization? What is purpose of interpretation? What is mobilization and effects? Okay, Java standardization. 1 second. Yes, these two things we'll see next. Yes, about mobilization. So this is for mobile application development, mobile apps. See, this is mobile apps, mobile apps. So mobile apps development. So mobile apps development here. Yes, in this is very poor. Mobile application development, Java is poor. Yes, in this area, Android is the best suitable. Android is a leader in this area. Android. So you are in markets. Yes, everyone using Android to develop mobile applications. Java is poor in this area. So Java not using in this area. So next, yes, JFX, FX, Java FX, Java FX. This is for visual effects, visual effects. Some videos like movies, maybe short films, movies. Okay. Yes. Suppose something that suppose maybe some events, functions. Okay, that videos, right? Visual effects purpose using this is. So in this area, also Java is poor. Okay, in this area, Premiere software is available. Premiere, Microsoft Premiere software is available. Next, Maya software. Okay, Maya software, visual effects for using this is. Yes, in movies, most of the editors they are using Maya software and Premiere now. Okay, so yes, so they are using. Okay, so in this area, Java is poor. Yes, Java leader in this area. Java is leader. So what is this area? What is this area? Let us see about Java standardization. Java standardization. This is Java technology. Just Java technology. This is Java technology. Just learning Java technology. So your course is just you learning Java technology, not just Java technology. Java standardization is a Java technology. Just it's a Java technology. Okay, Java technology. Yes, SC features. I'll show that later. Okay. Next, interpretation. Next one, interpretation. Yeah, this is application development. Interpretation using for the application development, apps, different apps. Okay. See, app development. Yes, apps development, So this is for apps development, applications development. Here frameworks. All the frameworks comes in this category. Frameworks. Yes, what are the list of frameworks? I'll explain. Wait, I'll explain. So Java standardization, it's a Java technology. Yes, Java interpretation, application development, applications. See, nowadays we are using many applications, online applications, many yes, internet-based applications. Almost all internet-based applications were developed in Java. Yes, almost all 90% of internet-based applications developed in Java. Yes, internet-based many applications are running, like company websites developed in Java. Yes, like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube. See, go to training app, go to meeting app. Like this, almost all yes, online shopping applications, food delivery apps, all e-commerce applications, banking applications, trading applications. Okay, like this, almost all internet-based applications developed in Java. Means lakhs of applications were developed in Java. See, 90% of internet-based applications. See, 90% of yes, internet-based applications. Internet-based apps developed in Java, developed in Java. Okay, so means lakhs of applications, worldwide lakhs of applications are there. Lakhs of applications. Who will maintain that lakhs of applications? Yes, lakhs of applications available in the market. Lakhs of applications developed in Java. If that application somebody has to maintain, who will maintain this? Java resources. Only Java resources. Java resources. Okay. So maintenance is nothing support, supporting application, supporting Java application, Java supporting team, supporting Java resources. Okay. See, lakhs of applications. Then how many Java resources required? Millions of Java resources required here. Millions of Java resources. That's the reason Java has become evergreen field. There's a lot of demand for Java. Every evergreen, always demand, always demand. Yes, lot of demand, continuously demand growing but never decreasing. Demand continuously growing because of the Java maintenance. Yes, lakhs of already existing applications, not new applications. Don't think about new applications. Okay, already existing applications, lakhs of applications are there. To maintain that lakhs of applications, yes, lakhs of resources required, millions of resources required here. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. Like the millions of resources required, Java resources. That is the demand for Java. That's the reason Java has become evergreen field in the market. See, so where generally Java, wherever you go, simply talking Java, right? Talking Java. This is in every company, Java team will be big team generally. Java team is a big team. So that's a demand for the Java. See, yes, almost more than 20 years I'm traveling Java. My career 20 years just settled my life happily because 20 years worked in Java without changing field. Java field only continues. Java, Hadoop is like Java based. Java, Linux, Hadoop are related things. Life cool, happily going on because of Java only here. Okay. Yes, you guys also can choose your Java career. Yes, next 2 years, next 20 years, no doubt. Okay. See, lakhs of suppose any new software comes in the market here. All existing lakhs of application have to migrate to new software, right? That is not easy. That is not easy to migrate to new software. Clients never dare to convert into other software. Okay, because Java free of cost available. Okay, Java fulfilling all of the requirements. If fulfilling all of the requirements, why they will change? They will not change. Free of cost. It's a free of cost they are using. Yes, no chance of changing. So existing applications running for next 20-25 years, no doubt. Suppose new software released. Yes, that software must have the features more than Java, right? That software must have the more than the Java features. But Java continuously evolving, still some more features adding. See, Java 11 and 13, like next 16 also released, but not using 16. Yes, 16 just, but not officially using, just internal release here. Yes, for testing purpose, some companies are downloading 16 and they are testing here. They are simply learning, updating 16, that's it, but not using here. So continuously this Java that continuously yes features adding. Okay, that is Java here. So that's the reason Java has become evergreen field in the market here. Okay, yes. So Java standardization. So our syllabus is Java standardization. See Java standardization. That features. What are the features? These features are our syllabus. Java standardization features are our syllabus. 1 second. See, yes, yesterday already I showed all that features. Yes, just to, I'm copying and paste. Yes, I'll copy and paste here. So because again typing all is wasting of time. Okay, yesterday typed and explained here all that. See, Java standardization. This is they are the features of Java standardization. Okay. So what's the core part of Java? Starting with core parts means fundamental Java fundamentals, all the fundamentals. Okay. Yeah, this is for 4 weeks. In this area, programming skills, improving programming skills, how to improve programming skills, logic building, all this. Yes, around 100 programs will be discussing. Every program prepared in document. Every program is in document. 100 programs. Yes, you can question me. If not covering, you can question me. You can ask me. Okay, 1 second. See, before, yes, if statement, these are the operators. Operators converts programs to wait here. Yes, mathematical operators. Next, increment, decrement operators. That are various examples. There are some interview questions, increment, decrement operators. Okay. Yes, control statements, if statement examples. If statement, around 20 programs will be discussing. Next, which case, around 5 programs. Loops, around 45 programs. In loops, 45 programs. Next, arrays, 20, totally 100 programs will be. So that is first core part. Okay, after finishing, next whoops features. Whoops. Whoops features. So like yes, whoop. So object-oriented programming. So why whoop was developed here? See, before whoop we have the C language. C is a first high-level language in the software field. C language developed in the year 1972. C language in the year 1972. 1972. C is a first high-level language. In C language, everything is global. Data global, functions global, everything is global. Yes, since data is global, anyone can modify. In C language, data can be modified by anyone from anywhere. So there is no security for data. To achieve data security, OOPS concept was developed. To achieve data security, OOPS added. Okay. Yes, C language. To achieve data security, added OOPS to C language. Okay. C language plus object-oriented programming is a C++. Yes, Whoop added Whoop features added to C language and released as C++. What is C++? C language plus Whoops is a C++. Why named as C++? C++ means, yes, C plus 1, right? Plus plus means increment operator, increasing by 1. Plus plus means increasing by 1. Plus plus means increasing by 1, just increasing by 1. C language plus 1 is a C++. Okay, so based on that reason, named as C++. So the one step is Whoops concept here. Whoops concept added to C language and released as C++. Same Whoops implemented in Python, next in Java also, and next is Scala. Okay, in .NET. In different languages, same Whoops was implemented. Initially, Whoops was implemented in C++. First Whoops language C++. So next Whoops language Python. Like that here, Whoops concept implemented in C++, Python, Java, .NET, Scala. The topic we'll discuss next. In Whoops concept, I'll explain clearly. That Whoops history, I'll explain very clearly. Okay, yes. Right? Yes, first initially Whoops was developed with only these two features, encapsulation, data abstraction. First step of Whoops is only these two features, encapsulation and data abstraction. So purpose of these to achieve data security. So later added all these features like method overloading, constructors, inheritance, method overriding, polymorphism, yes, access experts, access points, and all these added. Okay. See, Whoop is having many number of features, but Java does not support all the Whoop features. Yes, Whoop is having many features, but Java does not support all. C++ supports all because Whoops is tested in C++ only. Every Whoops features tested in C++. That's the reason C++ supports all Whoops features. Okay, Java supports only 80% of Whoops features. That comparison we'll discuss. C++, Java, Python, Scala. That four Whoops language we'll discuss. Next .NET, 5 Whoops languages. That comparison is the next topic we'll discuss. That comparison separately is at that time I'll explain here. Okay, so these are Whoops implementation. Okay, yes. Next, see here this topic for first 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Next, this topic is for 2 weeks. Oops, 6 weeks. So next, yes, 5 more weeks actual Java. So of course, here actual Java starting. Okay, actual Java 4 weeks. This is actual Java 8 weeks around 8 or 7 weeks. Actual Java 7 weeks. In out of this 7 weeks here, 2 weeks for oops concept here, 2 weeks, and next to 5 weeks this real-time related concept. They are actually project related concepts here. From these onwards, project related concept starts here. How to string buffer these things in projects here. In projects, how to use this. They are project related concepts here. Next, how to use object wrapper classes. Next, exception handling. How to handle the exceptions in projects. All these are project related topics. Project related. These things will be covering. Okay, so this is SE. Okay, JDBC also part of SE, but it's not our syllabus. JDBC will be taken for another 45 days. That is advanced Java. See, advanced Java another 75 days. Core Java 75 days, advanced Java also 75 days. I'll be taking advanced Java class also. Yes, advanced Java, there is another 75 days it will take. Out of 75 days, 40 days for JDBC and 35 days solids and JSP concepts. That's advanced Java. Okay, so this is about SE. Now let us come to enterprise edition. Yes, enterprise edition. Yes, this is all the frameworks. See, in Java, every part I worked. Enterprise, all the frameworks. Yes, these are all the frameworks. All the frameworks comes on this category. All the frameworks. So first one, yes, structure framework. First framework in Java is structure framework. Structure framework. Yes, this structure framework was released in year 2003. This is 2003 year. Structure framework. Yes, application development. Okay, now almost outdated. This is now outdated. Almost outdated. Yes, next is Spring framework. Spring. Okay. Yes, what is meaning of framework? Yeah, I'll explain. Framework. Yes, what is meaning of framework? I'll explain. So, what is exactly framework? Framework. Yes, it is a ready-made one. It is a ready-made one. Ready to use. Ready-made one. Ready to use. See, exactly what is framework? It's ready-made one means there are some built-in classes, predefined class available. To reduce the code in Java, there are some predefined classes. Okay. See, without using frameworks, developing project is not easy. Yes, lengthy code we should write. For everything, we should write codes. Yeah, there is a predefined code. Okay. Yes, frameworks is having some predefined code. They developed some predefined code and given as like a classes. Yes, we should take the classes. You have to plug it into our project. Just plug it into project and use that. Just like a plugins. Frameworks like a plugins. Taking a class from the framework and plug it into projects. Then use directly here. So much coding is not necessary. See, I'll tell you one example here. One example. Yes, Spring framework. Next, Hibernate framework. Yes, what is advantage of frameworks? I'll tell you. Hibernate framework. They are the frameworks. Yes, see what is advantage. For example, here database. Java application connect database. Yes, database coding required. Database coding. So database coding. Yes, maybe around 35 to 40 lines code. Code required. 35 to 40 lines code is required. For this purpose, special component is available. Predefined components. The 30 to 40 lines code is not necessary. In Hibernate, there is a predefined some XML file is a database XML file is available. Predefined code is the already available component available here. That component has this much of code. Predefined code is there. Okay, that component you can take it and add to your project. Enough that code, 40 lines of code you can avoid. Like that, many framework classes, ready-made classes available here. To take the classes and use the project. So to avoid the code, to reduce the code here, we can use frameworks. Main purpose of framework is to reduce the coding. Using frameworks, we can reduce the coding. So within short time, we can finish the Java projects. See, very old days, so to finish project, yes, it was taken 1.5 years, 2 years, right? 1.5 years, 2 years before 2010, before 20 years, like around 2005, 2006, that period before 2010. Yes, it was taken for 1.5 year, 2 years. But nowadays, within 6 months, we are finishing projects. Within 6 months, yes, our now current projects only 9 months duration. Our current projects, yes, current projects, yes, last week started. See, just only 9 months. Total duration only 9 months. 9 months. Within 9 months, yes, is from the works back in this project. Okay, within 9 months, we have to finish this project. Okay, that means including testing. Including testing, we should finish. Including testing. So development is only 4 months we have scheduled. Within 4 months, we have to finish. Because of that frameworks available, yes, we agreed to finish within 4 months. Already started working. Okay, so 4 months, 4 months just to development, 3 months for testing care. After that, 1 month period for releases and all that post release work. Okay, yes. So frameworks, with the help of frameworks, we can reduce the coding. Yes, I'll tell you one example. For understanding framework example, I'll tell you one example. To understand what is exactly framework, to understand that, I'll tell you one example. Yes, bridges construction. This is well known for you. Bridges construction. Okay. Yes, in our daily life we will see, right? Yes, when you're going on road, we'll see bridges construction. How they are construction here? Very old days. In previous days, first laying all the pillars on top of the pillars. Yes, the bridge constructing, right? Yes, years together. 2 years and 3 years, 4 years and 5 years, even 10 years are some bridges, right? But nowadays, what is happening here? Simply they are laying pillars of laying after constructing all the pillars here. Yes, they are bringing blocks, ready-made blocks available. Ready-made blocks are simply they are bringing blocks, they are assembling some bridge also assembling here, like a framework. That is nothing but framework here. That bridge is simply they are assembling here. Okay, see in Hyderabad, yes, in our Hyderabad, many bridges they are constructing. Flyover bridges, everywhere flyover bridges, many bridges are there here. How they within short periods finishing that bridges? How? Yes, with the help of the ready-made blocks. Within 3 months, also some bridges were finished in Hyderabad. Yes, last year, COVID time. Yes, because of no traffic in the city here. Yes, very well planned. Very well planned here. They finished around 5 to 6 bridges. That COVID period last year. So around 5 to 6 bridges, I think, finished. Okay. Yes. So that is framework here. So framework is ready-made when ready to use here. So using framework, we can reduce the code. Main purpose of framework is to reduce the code. Okay. Yes. Starts a framework, Spring and Hibernate. Now we are using, yes, Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Yes, combination of these two frameworks, we are developing applications here. Combination of these two frameworks. Okay, apps. Yes, apps development. Apps development. App development. Okay, application development here. So apps development. Okay, for apps. Okay, yes. Most of the online applications were developed using Spring and Hibernate framework only. Yes, all the online applications, 90% of existing online applications were developed in using Spring and Hibernate. Okay, so that is these are the frameworks. These are the frameworks. Within short time we can finish. Advantage of frameworks is to finish the project within short time. Okay. Yes. Next other frameworks in Java. Other frameworks. Yes. Hadoop framework. Next is Hadoop framework. Yes. Hadoop framework. Yes. Hadoop framework. Here this is to store to store to store and process big data, big data, right? See, yes, many applications generating big data every day. For example, Facebook, a lot of data generating per day here, 4 petabytes of data per day generating this is. Okay, so 4 petabytes of data generate. YouTube, yes, lot of data, YouTube, Facebook, okay, Google. Okay, these are generating lot of data every day here. Okay, Amazon online services generating lot of data. LinkedIn, lot of data. Like these applications, big data applications. Yes, more than 10,000 companies, top 10,000 companies using Hadoop framework. Top 10,000 companies. Big data applications to store and process big data using Hadoop here. Using Hadoop. Okay. See, to store data, generally databases, right? Oracle database you can use. Oracle database or MySQL, but these are not capable. Oracle database is capable of storing will up to only GBs of data. When terabytes of data comes, cannot store. Petabytes, no chance. So that area using Hadoop here. Big data area. Yes, 1 second. Yes, what is Hadoop? About Hadoop architecture, I'll explain some 2 classes on this. At the middle of the batch, one day I will take Hadoop here. Yeah, 2 classes I'll explain what is Hadoop architecture, how it can handle and process big data. I'll explain clearly. That framework architecture I'll explain one day. Hadoop. Next is Spark framework, Spark framework. Next is Spark. This also for yes to store and process yes process huge amount of in big data, huge big data, very big data, very big one. Okay, huge amount of data. Okay, see here Hadoop framework, it can handle up to terabytes, maximum petabytes. So data getting more than petabytes, like exabytes and zettabytes. That case Spark framework. See, top 100 companies using Spark framework. Top 10 companies, sorry, top 100 companies using Spark framework. Very high speed framework compared to Hadoop. Top 10,000 companies using Hadoop. This is all that my experience. All that, see, I'm doing nothing here. Just my experience I'm explaining to you. That's it. Just only I'm explaining my experience. That's it here. So these are the frameworks. Different frameworks in Java. Java, they are the Java frameworks. Yes, I work with every framework. Start framework, Spring, Hibernate, Hadoop, Spark framework. Means every part of Java I work with. That is my experience, live experience. Okay. Yes, since 2000 year to today, almost 21 years of journey with Java. So before 2000, first 4 years I worked on embedded C. First 4 years. So 97 engineering completed, immediately got the job embedded C. First 2 projects embedded C. A 2000 year changed to Java. So 21 years of career in Java here. 21 years of journey with Java. Okay. So this is about Java history. That complete history. That complete history. Yes, very interesting, right? That history is very interesting. Okay. Yes. See, next about features. Yeah, this topic tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay. So Java, how Java made us independent platform, portability, whoops language, scalability. Yeah, these Java features tomorrow we'll discuss. One Java features completed. Next, how to set up Java, how to install Java, how to set up the environment variables. Next, how to set up Eclipse and all the topics. Yes. Next we'll discuss. Tomorrow finishing features, these features. So next day we'll be going for installations and all this. Yeah, that's all. Any doubts? That's all, guys. Any doubts? Just 1 second. Yes, guys. Yes, forever batch. Yes, already WhatsApp group created forever batch. 11:45. This is a batch. Yes, I think already communication is going on. Yes, almost how many members submitted their information? Yeah, 10 members submitted their information here. So added here, group communication. So any doubts here is very useful, that group communication. You can ping in group or you can ping me personally. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. Just take this. Yes, still any guys have to share your information. Yes, 8179189123. Yes, your name. Yes. What's a course you are attending here? Course you are attending here? Course you are attending? Next, what's the time you are attending here? What's your time? Next, your Gmail ID required main here. Gmail ID. Gmail ID required. So not only for your batch, every batch, yes, the group is suppose 8:30 AM batch, 8 AM going on. That batch for every batch group created. Around 34 members, and I think your batch also will be around 30 members by the next week. So 34 members match. Next one more batch, I'm taking 745 batch. 745. That batch is 40 members batch. Yeah, your batch also will be more than 30 by the next week. Yes. Any doubts still? Yeah, this is take this number. Yes, take this number. Just take this number. I'll be waiting for 2 minutes. Take it and share your details. Share the details. Yeah, I'll continue Advanced Java also. After finishing core, I'll continue for Advanced Java also. So need not to change the trainer. Yes, don't worry. I'll continue. Okay. Yes, I think taken this number. Yes, same time 11. No, Advanced Java not 11:45. That will be different time. Okay, that will be different. Maybe evening class or morning class, not 11:40. 11:40 already Java going on, right? Yes. After finishing core Java continuation for Advanced Java, that maybe yes, maybe same time at different. I'm not sure. 11:45 Advanced Java. Okay, because 75 days plan. Yes, next 75 days plan we have to prepare, right? No, we don't have that much of days of plan. Okay, we'll decide. We'll inform. Yes, no worry. Your convenient time only batch getting. Morning batches will be there. Evening batches will be there. Any of those things you can join. No problem. No issue. Okay. Yeah, this is my number. Take it. Please take it. Yes, okay. I'm deleting that number. So that's all about complete Java overview. So Java overview completed, that history and all the Java features and everything completed here. Okay. So next tomorrow starting Java features. This topic will be starting tomorrow, independent of platform, portable to start these features. Yes, one second. Let me save this as day 2, day 1, next day 2 today. So day 1 date. Yes, I'll share all the documents. Yes, your Gmail to your Gmail ID. I'll share documentation and recordings and everything. Yeah, that's all for guys. That's all for today. Yes, guys, that's all for today. Okay. Shall we wind up session for today? Yes, if no doubts, let us wind up. Yeah, thank you guys. Yes, see you tomorrow. Exact 11:45. 11:45 to 1:15. Okay. Thank you.